Okay, this is where we left off in the last video. So we're just going to make our Apache tear now. So we'll just yarn over twice and we'll count down 1, 2, 3, go into that front loop, third row down from the hook, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and remember not to work that because that's where we just worked, but we just worked down from there. We just worked the third row down from there. So now we're going to the next one, into the back loop, into the next 4 1 single crochet. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3, pick up that front loop that sticks out, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Remember not to work that and go into the next back loop, and we're going to do 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we have 2 left over, 2 single crochets into the back loop left over right here, and I'm going to put an Apache tear right there, but the next time I go around I'm not going to put Apache tear into this very last stitch. We're just going to leave this whole row as single crochets into the back loop. So yarn over twice, go down 1, 2, 3, pick up that loop that sticks out, that front loop, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet into this back loop of the next one, and then remember not to work into these knots at the end that we single crochet, that we chain 1. So we chain 1, this will be the knot at the end, we're not going to work into it. Pull it up just a bit and cut it off. Okay, now the next 4 rows after this are going to be an off-white. That's the one in the picture. So this is the brown, and this would have been the dark red, and then this would have been the white. So 4 rows of this white, and then after the 4 rows of the white, you'll do 3 rows of the brown, and then 2 rows of a brighter red, a lighter red color. So if you wanted to do the colors that are in the picture, of course you can choose whatever colors you like. And then I'm going to just show you how to do this on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and form my slip knot. And I'm just going to make sure I don't work into that knot at the front. Just leave that as a knot to tie the fringe. And I'm going to go into the back loop of the first single crochet that we previously done. And I'm going to cast on with a single crochet. So I'm just going to pull the yarn up and through. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops, and that's casting on with a single crochet. And I'm going to do 1 more single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. And then here I'm going to do my Apache tear. I'm going to do my triple crochet, so I'm going to yarn over twice, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and go down and pick up that front loop that sticks out. Yarn over and pull that yarn through. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And then I'm going to remember not to work in this one because I've already worked in this row, but I just worked the 3rd row down into that front loop. So I'm going to go into the next one, go into the back loop. I'm going to do 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I want to do my Apache Tear, so yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, go down and pick that up, pick up that front loop, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Remember not to work in this one, that's the one that we just worked. Go into the next 4, it's going to be 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, make sure you get both of the loops on there because we're double stranding it. Try one more time. And 4. Now we're going to do our Apache Tear. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see, if you don't really know where to go, you can just count these spaces right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the one that I would need to go into right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, go into that one. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Make sure you don't work into this one right here. Go into the next one, and we're going to do 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to do the Apache Tear, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Look back here, make sure not to work in this one, work into the next one. So 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over twice, count 1, 2, 3, go down, pick up that front loop. Pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Look behind, don't work this one, work the next one. So 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then Apache Tear. 1, 2, 3, go down and pick that one up. And then single crochet into the back loop, and of course yours probably going to be longer than this one, so you just keep repeating that pattern all the way down. Snip it off. Okay, so you're just going to keep working both sides, and you're just going to keep adding. And now you can tell where to put your Apache Tears. You're just going to put it right next to the one that's already on there. And you just keep switching colors until you're finished. And then with the fringe, you're just going to straighten it all out. And then you're just going to trim it off so they're all about the same length. And what I like to do is I like to separate them, and you could throw it in the wash a couple of times too, but I like the fringe to be a little more shaggier, so I like to separate these. And after you wash it a few times, it looks a little more shaggier. But that's how I do my Apache Tears rug. So this would be brown in the picture. So you've got brown, and then this would have been the dark red. So after the dark red, you'll do 4 rows of the off-white, and then you'll do 3 rows of the brown, and then you'll do 2 rows of the lighter red color if you want it to be like the one in the picture. Otherwise, you can just do your own colors. Thank you for watching.